Hey guys, it's Courtney from the Pulp of Wood, and I just thought I would show you guys my craft room. It is finally done, with exception of the trim. Like, my husband's got to put some trim up, but everything is moved in, and I am super excited to show you guys. So, there's my kitty, one of my kitties. I guess we will start over here. Here is my paper. I just have my like loose paper that don't have no rhyme or reason at the bottom. All my books in the middle there that I get from Hobby Lobby. I never ever buy them unless they're 50% off. But I have a ton of them because I've gotten them over the years. And here is all my paper I have in stock for my Etsy shop. Both of these stacks are. And then there is my paper bead roller paper down there. And my absolutely favorite beautiful sign I got at Hobby Lobby. Absolutely love it. I'm always saying just pray, so yeah, that is my favorite sign. So then of course I got my TV, and this corner is one of my favorites. It is my scrapbook corner. And I scrapbook for all four of my kids. I want to have them a big, thick binder by the time they graduate high school. So, yeah, I started a binder for each one of them with all their scrapbook stuff. But, of course, I got some paper beads on top that loose paper beads that my aunt has rolled that I'm going to make a bead curtain with. Anyways, so here is my glue stash. I always buy glue when it's time for school because that's when it's on sale. And here's just some miscellaneous stuff that I use for scrapbooking. And here's all my stamps and my ink I use for scrapbooking. And here, these look so dusty. I should have wiped them off probably for the video, but I didn't. I got these from Walmart last week, and they're so dusty. I don't know why. But anyways, here's all my stickers. Not all of them, because here's another thing, stickers. And then here's some paper that I got for all my scrapbooking stuff. Hi, kitty. Vader, what are you doing? I have a big old mess out back because we just added this on, and yeah, it's a mess. Anyhow, I got these on sale at Walmart. Bertus, you can probably hear my dog panting in the background. But I got those on sale because I use those for my paper beads. Here's my kids' scrapbook stuff, all their pictures and everything. And my kitty caving in my pretty box that I got at Dollar Store. Kitty, get off. Go on. Go on. Come on, Vader. Come on, kitty. Come on. You can't sit on that. You're going to break it. He's my cute kitty. Anyhow, I just got like old cards and stuff like that that I like to keep, birthday cards and stuff. And here's each one of my kids' school papers and pictures and stuff that I have. I have 4 kids, so I got their separate things there. And then here is a bookshelf that I have. It was my dad's bookshelf, and he didn't want any more, so I just took some chalk paint and painted it, and spray paint, and put some shelf liner paper in it. And yeah, it's just got all my beads and random coloring books and, coloring crowns for my nieces and nephews when they come over because they're little. And my kids don't color anymore because they're teenagers. And, well, they do sometimes, but they don't use coloring crowns. But, yeah, just some old books that I used to make paper beads with that I got at a library sale. And my Cricut. And my, this is actually my daughter's. It's a laminator, but she doesn't use it anymore, so I put it down here so I could use it. And I just use this stuff. Guys, I don't know if you have ever used this brand, but our Walmart is being remodeled right now, and they have different brands of stuff now. Like, it's like they're carrying different brands and all kinds of different stuff. And I've never seen this brand before of clear coat sealer. And I got this, and it is the best stuff. Like, I don't know. It's just, it's about the same price as what I usually get my other sealer and stuff. And it is excellent. It does a really good job. Anyhow, moving on. This is just my back door. So yeah, that's the only bad part is everybody's got to go through the craft room to get out back. But that's okay, because I am still happy that I got my craft room. So I don't care. But here is a really cute sign that I got at Hobby Lobby. She believed she could, so she did. I love it. And here is my other little corner with my stock. I keep all of my Etsy stock in here in these 3 drawers. And then the top is all my paper bead jewelry that I sell at festivals and stuff. And I don't sell my paper bead jewelry on Etsy or anything, but I do sell it at festivals and stuff. So it's all tangled mess right now. But this is a pretty cool one. I always liked this. I made this. Whoops. Guys, I can't do this one-handed. I made this out of salt dough. I think it's pretty cool. And then, of course, the little skull paper beads. I actually made it for Halloween, but I mean, guess you could wear it anytime you want, to each his own. But this is one of my favorites too. It's hard to do this one-handed, guys. I'm not that talented. This is I don't know if you can see this or not. You probably can't see it because the glare from my window, but it says thank you. It's a really cute little necklace that's got, it's for like teachers. And it's got like, oh, guys, I'm sorry, you cannot see this. It's not focusing. This is a terrible video, I'm sorry. Yeah. It's not even focusing at all. I have paint underneath my fingernails, guys. It looks horrible. Anyhow, moving on. This was is a little paper bead necklace that's got little paper clips and notebooks and pens and pencils and markers and stuff on it. I thought it was really cute paper. So anyhow, so that is my stock corner of my paper beads and stuff. And oh my goodness, there is an ant. Good grief. Yeah. Anyhow, here is my little chair that I craft at because I am not one to sit at a desk. I have a desk, a very cute desk, but I just use it whenever I have to. I just sit at it when I'm on my computer sometimes, and I don't craft at it. I just can't. I've tried to make myself craft at it, and I just can't do it. So I got this, my parents gave me this old recliner, and then I put one of these chair covers over it. I just got it from Walmart because, yeah, it was a green chair and it didn't go with my decor. So I just put this gray chair cover over it and my cute little pillow. Happiness is homemade. And here's my little table that I do all my work on. And then this over here, move this out of the way. My parents got me this. It is flippin' awesome. My dog is going crazy. I don't know why he's barking. But it is just a tool. I don't even know what you call it. Tool caddy, tool something stack. But it has all of my craft stuff in case I want to like take it on the go or something. It's kind of heavy because I have so much stuff in it, but let's see if I can show you just a little bit of it. Each one of these little things come off and it's got something else underneath it. I have markers on the bottom. I had paper. Brutus, it's okay. My dog wants in here and I got a baby gate up. He gets mad because I won't let him in here because I don't like the hair flying around, so. Anyhow, but my cat, I can't keep my cat out. Anyhow, I have markers on the bottom. In the middle, I had paper, but I don't have paper in there anymore because I put all my paper on that little cart over there. So I don't know what I'm going to put in the middle there. And then the top, I have, like all my loose ends. I don't know, just stuff that I need to, work with, like glue and extra glue and just all kinds of stuff like that. And then the top, I could open the top for you. Just some paper beads that I made. Sometimes I take this out on my front porch. Not necessarily that I take it out, anywhere other than my house. But I take it out on my front porch, or I take it out on my deck or something if I want to craft outside. But then like my paper bead rollers and pens and pencils and stuff. And I always use these little elastics to hold my pre-cut paper strips that I have. And yeah, just clear nail polish and wipies and toothpicks and all kinds of stuff. But it is the coolest thing ever. And my parents got that for me just because. So, and then here is in this corner I got my shipping station, my printer, my paper of course, and my labels and address labels and all that kind of stuff, and my packaging. Nice and neat over here. And then this map is so awesome. I've always wanted a map to tell how many sales I got in each state. And I found this map on sale at Hobby Lobby for $1 or something. It was in the school supply section. And the pegboard thing is very, very old. I got the pegboard thing my mom gave it to me. It was my late grandfather's, and he had like a woodworking shop. And he used to talk on a CB all the time to people. I mean, years and years and years ago. And, truckers and stuff. And anyhow, he would talk to them, and he had a map on it, and he had to, he put it up in his woodworking shop, and he had like a little pin that he would put in each state if he would, talk to somebody in that state. I don't know. It was just pretty cool. Kind of nostalgic that my mom gave it to me, and I painted it and put it in here. So, yeah. And then here is my brick wall that I absolutely love. My cute little lamp I got at Walmart. $35. Not bad. It's usually not my style, but I it went with my colors, and I was like, hey, I'm getting that. There's my old vision board from last year that I made. I got it for inspiration until I can get my new vision board up. That's what this board right here is going to be, my vision board. So I don't have to glue anything. I can just put pins in it, straight pin, or push pins in it. And yeah, here is my desk with my smelly good fall candle, because I only burn fall things in my house, the fall scented stuff. And I got this little cool thing at Hobby Lobby. They actually had it in the kitchen section, but I use it in here because I think it's pretty cool. I haven't got to put like all my pens and pencils and stuff in it yet, but I'm gonna do that when I get the time. And here is my shelf on top of my brick wall. I absolutely love that shelf. My husband put it up, and that just holds all my stuff that I want to keep and craft with, but I don't craft with on a daily basis. So he put that up there, and yeah. So this is my craft room, guys. Oh, here's a bunch of stuff in here too. I have no room for it up there on the shelf. But, and believe it or not, I have went through and I have got rid of so many things. Well, I haven't got rid of them yet, but I put them all in out in storage. And my mom and my sister-in-law is going to go through it and see what they want. And then whatever they don't want, I'm going to donate, because I just have too much stuff, too much craft stuff. And I know you can say you can never have too much craft stuff, which I do believe, but at the same time, I don't want to junk up my craft room too bad. So give me a year and it'll probably be crammed. But anyhow, guys, yeah, so this is my craft room, and I am so happy with it. My husband did a great job. I just kind of helped. I did what he told me to, because I don't know how to do anything like that. So he just kind of was like, hold this, lift this up, hold that down, you know, and I helped him with that. So anyhow, it's not a super long video, but I just wanted to show you guys my craft room. Oh, and look at my little bitty light. Isn't that cute? I wanted a chandelier, but I didn't want to pay $80 or $100 for a chandelier. So I got the next cutest thing. This was only like $50, I think. So yeah, anyways, alrighty, well, I'm going to quit rambling, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.